This is a 13-year-old gaming setup slash room setup. So here I have the units. So this is like this is the Xbox, just in case one of my friends want to come over and play. This is actually my 3D printing fillet. If I want to 3D print something white, please. Or my headset. Just like it's a decent headset just to make some content or play some games. This is my TV, which is pretty decent, hooked up to my PS5. This is my mini fridge and 3D printer, and these are both my controllers if a friend wants to come over and play. That is my tiny mini fridge, and this is my actually gaming setup. One monitor, a decent mouse. I don't